Meaning of dendron.
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 Dendron. The term dendron refers to a chemical structure that consists of a central molecule or atom from which multiple branches, or dendrons, extend outwards. The resulting compound is called a dendrimer and has a highly branched and symmetrical structure. Dendrimers have unique physicochemical properties that make them useful in various applications, such as drug delivery, imaging, sensing, and catalysis. They can be synthesized through a variety of methods, including convergent and divergent approaches, and are typically characterized by their size, shape, and surface functionality.